Oh, little Charlie. We're babysitting Charlie.
I hate when it tries.
I know. You know,
don't
babies
hate.
do somewhat. Are you babysitting Charlie, Lauren?
Yes.
Are you helping when he cries?
Yes.
You are?
I mean, no.
Hey, Madison, should Charlie ride on the horsey? Maybe, huh?
Just the size two.
Oh, you're the right size too, sure. Okay, we'll come back in a little while. See how he's doing.
Ew.
And after about an hour of crying, Madison, who's joined us for snack?
I'm gonna be okay.
Is he having ice cream, rainbow sherbet, or chocolate ice cream?
Now he's having cereal.
Oh, Cheerios. I bet babies like Cheerios. Lauren, are you glad we have Charlie to come visit us tonight? That's good.
Mommy, I want to baby. Another baby too.
You want to babysit another baby too? You like having
Hey, a late spring snowstorm. Hey, girls. Hi, 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 hi. Hi there, girls. Go show me Frosty. Who do you have there, Madison? It's Frosty.
He only made one more thing.
What is that one more thing? A what?
Friend.
Oh, a friend.
Hey, Dad.
That's sweet. Uh-oh, we're down here eating most of our snow. Hey girls, isn't it kind of late in the winter to be snowing? We have 6 inches, maybe 8 today. Ooh. Oops, where'd she go? Madison, do you like that snow? Snow taste good?
Did I play that?
I think you are.
I should camera.
Is your snow good?
I'm trying to do that camera.
No, sweetheart. No, honey. No, no, no. Put your gloves back on. Madison. Madison, are you a baby? Or what are you?
A children.
A what?
A children.
A children. Okay.
And I like to put this back on.
No, you're not going to put the
No.
camera cap back on. Goodbye there. Say bye-bye to Rob.
Bye-bye.
Wave bye to Frosty. Or wave bye to Frosty.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Now.
No way. I'm going to put it away. Lauren went to soccer practice today about an hour and a half ago. Let's see what she's currently doing. Show me your kick. There you go. That's a new soccer ball for our new soccer player. Cool. You think soccer's going to be fun, Lauren?
Yeah.
Great. Whoop. Okay.
Let's go the last stroll. Biking along, biking along. Trippity-doo dah, trippity-yay.
What a lovely dance is the waltz of those
We do adore the waltz of the flowers and the nutcrackers' sweet ballet. Yes, we do. Thank you.
Oh, we're going down on our knee? Go ahead, go down on your knee. I thought we were going to do every other one down on our knee. Can we do that? Or
Okay. Okay, do something silly.
Hey, Grandma, is this something good?
Okay, go ahead, do something silly.
Yeah, that's a pretty
Do something
blue,
silly.
honey.
Oh! Holy smokes. He's a magician. And it is Easter start. All right, do something silly. Oh, gosh, that's silly. Oh, gosh, don't do it. You're cracking me up. You're cracking me up.
Can we put it back in the egg tray?
Well, if you
All right,
do,
put your head on
it'll be
backwards.
wet.
Oh, no, your head's turned
Yeah,
around.
it's got to dry before you put it back there.
Okay, you're using it.
Look at mine.
Big O. Big O and his man.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Look at mine.
Madison, did you get some? Oh, Madison, that's beautiful.
Pretty.
Oh, Maddie, that's very, very
That's a
pretty.
good one, honey.
Don't. Now what do
Don't drop it. Where does it go to dry, Mommy?
Mommy's doing it. Mommy.
My hands are wet. I don't know.
I want to tell you.
Ooh, what is it? Oh, grapes.
Well, wait a minute.
Okay, there's an egg with sparkly.
How about a green? A green. Yeah, purple would
Sparkly.
be good.
Woo.
And then a green. Get a green one then, honey. Hey, here's a good green one. No, it's in here. Run out of color here. Okay.
Well, go
Stick
ahead
that.
then.
There you go, Madison.
Be like this.
So we got two girls and their grandma making sparkly eggs.
Making
Sticky stuff, Madison. Ah! Take it out, honey. Take it out, sweetheart. No, no, Maddie, you don't leave it in a long while. You go ahead and take it out now.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
I don't like color. And grandma is the... He's starting to look pretty sleepy. What do you say, Danny? You want to go get your grandpa?
Now, what about decorating?
Let's get him.
Oh, those pictures of Grandpa sleeping are getting old. Very old.
What do you say, Grandpa's getting very old?
Jelly bean.
Do you like jelly beans, honey?
I don't like jelly beans. Well, the Easter bunny.
okay,
came
Mommy
out,
likes
yeah.
them. Wow.
Mommy.
Did you get jelly beans too, Manny?
Put them
A
back in your
yellow
basket.
and a black one.
Just keep them in your basket, sweetie.
It's a yellow and black.
Wow.
Madison, and you, what else did you get in your basket, Maddie?
The Easter bunny gave me it.
Is that right?
More jelly beans.
Great, honey. And what's that behind? Well, he gave you a little Easter bunny himself, huh? He gave you a
And
little,
this,
a-
and he gave me this.
an Easter bunny teddy bear?
No, the Easter bunny.
Easter bunny bear. Okay.
And more jelly beans.
Lauren, what else did you have in your basket? Anything else in it? Oh, sorry. Did you find something that you did like? Good.
Oh, what you eating?
I bet it's malted milk
Let
ball.
me see that bunny. Oh, it's got a sweater on.
Oh, this is a little one.
Ooh.
Isn't that pretty? I like that.
Oh, more jelly.
Oh, wow, you have so many eggs to open up, Maddie.
He's gonna be good to cuddle with. Or she. That's a girl bunny for sure with that pink sweater.
More jelly beans. More jelly beans.
Good, sweetie. And here they're coming down for Grandma's little basket.
No. What's this switch?
Look and see. I don't know. I think they're the same.
What's the difference? That's the difference.
That one's a little bigger. That must be for Lauren because she's a bigger girl. And this little bunny one must be for you, Maddie.
That was more.
Grandma said they're both the same.
Bunny.
Grandma said they have the same things. That one looks fuller because it's bigger. I mean smaller. Okay? Look at this. I think this is so cool. Isn't that neat? It's a twirling baton.
It's noisy. I can hear it over here.
Get inside and see what's in.
And that, Lauren, I think is a frisbee.
Whoa.
Throw it in the air.
Oh, like
Ooh.
your dad texted
Go
me.
get it.
Madison, like your dad texted me,
Yeah.
right?
You can pick it with your dog.
Oh, it's a frisbee.
A frisbee, you're right.
There you
go. Okay. Open up and see what you got here. Mommy,
I think the Easter bunny.
I think those are marshmallows. They're-
Wow. Yeah.
Wow, look at him.
Yeah, but whoa.
Oh,
Look what I got.
little book,
Oh.
drawing,
Don't eat.
coloring pad.
Hey, that's what I gotta take those out.
Great, sweetie.
Because they're the things that can make you.
Mom, look what I got.
Yes, a ducky.
A ducky.
Hey, look, it's a duck cup.
I'll get the other ones out.
Hey, look,
Top.
she got a chicken. Or is it chick? Chick or a duck? Can't see.
Ooh, ducky. It's a duck.
It's a duck cup.
Mommy.
Yeah, look.
Halloween.
Whoops.
Oh! A Halloween book. Madison, look. I got a Halloween book.
All right.
That's great, honey, for your grandma.
On the way to Aunt Jolie's today.
Oh, Mommy,
Later.
look. I got a bunny rabbit.
A bunny cup.
A little sippy cup too. That's
It's
your
a
favorite
mine.
cups.
I got a duck one. I think
Boy, that's a lot of stuff in that little
Down in there.
little
Look.
box.
Oh my goodness, what in the world is that?
Bunny,
Bunny ears, I think.
Look, Mommy.
Yeah.
There.
One.
You girls got lots of special things from your grandma. Hey, open that up, Lauren. What is that? Is that ears?
This
Is that chocolate ears?
I got flyers.
Just the ears.
That's different.
I think because people like to eat the ears. They must get, she got your ears all